Alright guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to be making a simple staircase. So, go on arc, there, click on arc, then go on center, start, end. Click there, then go on, let's make a line. I'm going to make a line, distance of 100, press and enter, going at an angle of 270. Go on arc again, make it an arc, go on this side, 200, press on enter, then an arc there. After I've done that, go on line there, and let's make a line from there to there. Escape, then click on this line like that, then type AR for array, enter, then go on polar, go on the midpoint of the circle there, click there on the midpoint, then there where it says fill, we are going to change that figure to 270, and there where it says items, we are going to change it to 22, like that. After I've done that, just zoom in, then enter the command text, enter, then we're going to make the text here like that, and we're going to write a figure, let's say 77. Then let's rotate our 77, rotate, rotate, okay, like that, good enough. Then move it there, that, then click on this 77 and type AR, enter for array, then go on polar again, then the midpoint of the circle there, change to 270, that, then there to 22, like that. Then there on rotate items, uncheck that, okay, then close array. Alright, then let's do this. Click there on the number, then type in the command break up. So I've broken up, then I've broken it up, so these are now single items. So let's type in the command C count, like that, specify object. So we're going to click all our numbers, and click 77. When you are done, press enter, then select order, go there where it says select order, and then go on enter again, then go on override, like that. Then it's going to write 1 to 22, the number of pairs, and click go on offset, going to offset at a distance of 50, press enter, 50, go in that side, escape, offset again, offset at a distance of 8, press on enter, going to offset that distance there, then escape. Let's go there now, go on arc again. This time we're going to go 3 points, like that, select 3 points. Back again. Okay. Let's go on. Line like that. Make here a line of 15. Go on that side. Yep. Enter 15. Enter. Then up to there like that. Then go on escape and type in the command hatch. You can add our hatch. Let's hatch this and that. Escape like that. Alright guys, and this is how you make a circular staircase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.